This is Hashima, an island of memories. Nobody lives here anymore. All that is left are the vestige of my past. It has been 50 years since I have left Hashima. But coming back, I can still see the faces of the people who were once here. It is as if my memories have come alive. Living with so many people on this small island drew us closer together. We were like family. Everyone knew each other, and we greeted one another on the streets. It is this special bond that I miss the most. One of my favorite haunts was the theater. On special occasions, the residents would take to the stage and perform traditional Japanese song and dance. I love watching other children sing. But these shows were not the only amusement on the island. When I was a little boy, I ran home crying one day because our neighbors had TVs and we didn't. The next day, Papa came back, bringing with him a brand new TV. From then on, we would beg Mama to let us have dinner in front of the TV.